today we're putting a lip on my friend Gio's NC.
AKA the boat.
AKA the boat. What Evo wheels are these?
Evo 8 wheels.
Bro, you did a good job.
The factory NK,
Painting
NK wheels, however people want to pronounce them.
Bro, the paint, the color on the, I thought it wasn't gonna look good, but the offset, the color, it looks good. I would put a little bit more tire on it.
Yeah, definitely next time. I messed up on the tire choice the first time, but
yeah,
luckily tires wear out eventually. And
yeah, these will last a while though. But for a daily, I think it's perfect.
oh, definitely.
It looks badass.
Definitely. And
Not the biggest fan of NCs, but I gotta admit that does look good and it's very comfortable. So.
Once they got a little more meat on them, it'll be good.
So yeah, this is the lip, eBay lip. Comes with a little.
There you go. $75.
$75. So it comes with these. That is gonna basically come right here. Put these here like that on the bottom of the car. Comes with a little nuts and bolts. And yep.
Not too bad. Not too bad. For
Should be a pretty straightforward install. Some cutting a little bit. So just trimming these little notches here that go to the fins right here. So you can go in, yeah, so you can go in a little bit deeper. And yeah. Let's do it.
Hell yeah, dude.
Let's cut it. Yeah. So yeah, everyone, this lip install was pretty simple. Makes the NC look a little bit more aggressive and it looks a lot nicer. So it's pretty straightforward. It's basically, you had to notch out from factory. This comes with this little thing right here that just stands out on the edge, like right like that. So we had to cut that out of the way. And it comes with those little bolts that you see right there that we just drilled through, and it's like yeah, some self-tappers, and that was pretty much it. And the little brackets right there. It came with holes here, but those brackets won't reach this screw here. So we made two holes right here, extra holes, and we put the brackets right there. Pretty sturdy bracket. It's nice and tight. See the other two holes. Two holes right there. And overall, the car looks pretty nice. Looks nicer than before. And on an ugly cars, any upgrades that'll make it look good is better.
Exactly, dude. Definitely.
Alright, put it down here. Yeah, the car looks great right now. But Gio also has these Koenigs with 245s on them.
The race set.
The autocross set, 245, 40, 17s. He still needs to wash them. These tires were barely used, the RE71s, barely even touched. I don't think the guy that had it before you even raced it at any point.
Maybe 500 miles, they thought some street miles, that's it. They never touched a track or anything.
Compared to what, 215s? I think it looks way badass with those Koenigs, bro. I think on the trip on the Dragon, that thing's gonna fly, dude. I think I'm gonna have a hard time keeping up.
Nah. I had to work hard to get that.
They were looking good, bro. I think you still have to corner balance it.
Maybe. We'll see.
I'm liking this front.